everyone, welcome back to the Dance Outdoor Channel, and today I'm at the marine fishing spot in Costa Rica where we can go fishing, and today we're fishing for red snapper, mahi-mahi, and sail rooster. And now we're about to go fishing here, right at this dock, but we're inshore and we're hoping to catch a big fish. Wish us luck.
Go, Becky. Keep going.
Hey, my friend, go under her.
Go under her.
You go
Barrett, go up over him.
Don't. Yeah.
There you go.
Hey guys, working to the side, please.
There you go. Get some grip against that wall.
Rod tip up, Beckett, if you can. Reel down, reel down, reel down, reel down, B. Just like that.
Hold it out. Got it. Hey, you got a picture?
Yeah, I got video.
Barrett, hold it out. There you go.
All right, you gonna chunk him over?
Hey, good job.
Go chunk him over the side. There you
Good
go.
job. Good job, Barrett.
Hey, score, give me 5.
What are you telling
Right.
me? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Uh-oh, got off.
Oh no, did it get off?
Yeah. Okay. Come back to the marina, drop off a few folks because me and one of the other guys got a little sick on our trip. But now we're gonna go back out around the marina and see if we can't catch something possibly for dinner. Just me, Mama, and B.